Previously on Vin's Life in Japan, we talked about why the yen recently got stronger, and how Japan's response to the US tariffs might actually lead to a yen weakness down the road. But there is more to the story. Let's take a look at some deeper structural issues putting long-term pressure on the Japanese yen. First, Japan's trade situation is not looking great at all. In 2024, the country posted a trade deficit of 5.3 trillion yen. Exported to the US totaled to 21.3 trillion yen, and 7.2 trillion of that was just cars and auto parts. So, if there is any policy shift or tariff hikes in that sector, it could really hurt Japan's trade balance. On top of that, the interest rate gap between the US and Japan is getting wider. So let's start with the US. In the US, tariffs usually make imported stuff more expensive, and which can lead to inflation. To deal with that, the Federal Reserves will likely delay rate cuts or even keep rates higher for longer. But Japan, on the contrary, is in a totally different situation. The economy is still kind of sluggish, and domestic demand is weak, wages are not really going up, and now exports are under pressure too. So, the Bank of Japan probably won't raise interest rate anytime soon, maybe just small tweaks at most, because higher borrowing costs could put more pressure on struggling businesses. So that means the rate gap between the US and Japan keeps getting bigger, and that makes investors want to move their money from Japan to the US, chasing better returns, which again pushes the yen lower. So, even though we've seen a short-term bounce in the yen because of the global uncertainties, in the long run, the yen still faces a lot of downward pressure. And if Japan ends up making more concessions in trade talks and pumping more money into the US, we could see even faster yen depreciation down the road. So, what do you think about the yen's outlook? Are you planning to jump in for a short-term play or waiting it out? Drop your thought in the comment below. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.